Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a dropshipping concept with Big Cartel, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start a dropshipping concept with Big Cartel, first, visit the Big Cartel website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs and budget. After signing up, complete your store setup by entering basic information such as store name and description. Next, upload your logo and choose a theme that reflects your brand's identity. To find products to sell, research suppliers that offer dropshipping services. Popular platforms for finding dropshipping suppliers include Oberlo, Spocket, and AliExpress. Once you've selected your suppliers, browse their product catalogs and choose the items you want to sell. Make sure to consider factors like shipping times, product quality, and supplier reliability. Now, add these products to your Big Cartel store. For each product, include high-quality images and a detailed description. Set competitive prices that account for both product costs and shipping fees. Next, configure your payment methods in Big Cartel. Acceptable payment options may include PayPal, credit cards, and more. Once your payment methods are set up, you can customize your store policies. These should cover shipping, returns, and customer service procedures. Now, move on to setting up your domain name. If you don't have one, you can purchase it through Big Cartel or use a third-party domain registrar. After securing your domain, link it to your Big Cartel store. With the technical aspects complete, focus on marketing your store. Utilize social media platforms to promote your products and engage with potential customers. Consider running online ads to reach a wider audience. You can also create content such as blogs or videos to drive traffic to your store. As orders start coming in, ensure timely communication with your suppliers for fulfillment. Track your inventory and fulfill orders promptly to maintain customer satisfaction. Continuously analyze sales data to optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. Keep testing different approaches to find what resonates best with your audience. Lastly, remain adaptable and ready to make changes as the market evolves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.